it's going to be another picture perfect day here in Oklahoma. So let's do a little backyard Oasis tour of all my greens. Crazy Cancun, Mexico looking kind of place. With solar, elephant ears. Look at those. Silver maple. Look at that. Just gorgeous. That is really, really, really beautiful right there. Those purple queens. Oh, they come out every morning. They wake up and they greet you. Had to replace the pump down here. It's good to go now. It's just a 12-volt bilge pump on a regulated 12-volt transformer deal. The lavenders, the blue out there, they pop every morning. Gorgeous. It's a 300 plus 100 watt solar panel, 400 watt garden pond solar generator system with 2 batteries. Those are the only 2 lead acid batteries I have now. Trojan AGM. They do better in the temperatures than lithium. Look at that. That's got to be 8 feet high. Look at this. Solar pergola. 8-foot swimming pool. See that cooler right down there? Fridge freezer. Got that set about 28, 29 degrees. Keeps it just perfect for water pop, whatever. I get in that probably 3 times a day. Cool off. Still pretty hot here. Window units. I'll be doing a video on that unit over there with my new Samlex inverter before too long. See these guys right here? Look at that. Just beautiful purple. Garden plant, or house plant. This is probably my last year, summer, at this house. I'm looking at moving, getting a little bit more land for solar panels, more backyard. You know, Suburbia, I don't have room for an RV or a pull-behind camper, boat, four-wheelers, nothing. So you're kind of constrained in Suburbia. You have a small lot. But there's convenience with having a small Suburbia lot to a point. You know, you're close to town, you're close to hospitals in case you have a stroke or need medical attention. You got, if you have a good neighborhood with good neighbors, it's really nice. But if you want to have, you know, expand and do stuff, it's also pretty limited. But I do like the convenience, though. Gosh, look at that. Just love mornings. This tree hasn't done very well this year either. But, there's Coco. Hi, Coco. You getting hungry, sweetie? What you want? Say hi to everybody. She's got a trim. I buzz cut her. She absolutely loves getting buzz cut. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, sweetie. Look at that. Yeah. You like that, don't you, sweetie? Yeah, look at that pretty girl right there. 15 years old. Still thinks she's a kitten. Still runs and jumps. Good girl. Alright, there you have it. It's kind of on a video glut right now, but and I'll get back at it. Have a good one.